Hey everyone, this is Coach Julio and hope you are well. So I wanted to do a really quick video on two important topics or issues, whatever you want to call them. The first thing is that if you're thinking about somebody or anybody, like your mother, your father, a friend, family, co-worker, peer, you should reach out to them. I say it again, if you're thinking about them, reach out to them. Let them know that you're thinking about them, and you never know what you may get in return, which might be like, hey, I'm doing okay, or you may learn that possibly they're lonely, or they need someone to talk to or listen to. So I strongly suggest that. And that ties in also to, like, if during these difficult times you may feel discouraged about what's going on or what's happening in life. So I'll share this Zen proverb that's been helpful for me and ties into why I think reaching out is very important. Student says to a master is, I feel very discouraged. And the master looks at the student and says, encourage others. Now that ties into my reason of believing that having a mentor or coach is so important, or somebody you trust. And I know for a fact from my own experience that building trust takes time. And once you find that individual, it's a mutual relationship. It goes both ways, because that mentor or coach will also share some information, experience that makes them vulnerable too. But my experience with mentor and coaching can be summed up like this. It's an African proverb. The youth may walk faster, but the elderly know the road. And don't use the word elderly, but that's just a proverb. And the last quote that reminds me of having a mentor or coach, which you can have at any time, sums up like this, because guess what? They live by example. Is that the world will be changed by your example, not by your opinion. That's very powerful. So having a mentor or coach is so important. I personally just reached out to 3 of them, and they helped me out more than they will ever know. And what do I do these days? I pay it forward. So I'm doing this video to say is that reach out to somebody who you're thinking about. And if you're looking for a mentor or coach, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. A lot of proverbs. That's all. Take care and talk to you soon.